It's Addie
and Morgan,
and today we are making slime. So the ingredients you need is a bowl, some glue. We are trying the new what's it called?
Elmer's color.
Yeah, it's Elmer's color glue, and I believe it's glow in the dark. Looks really cool. If you're wondering why I keep holding it up, it's because we also have another video going on. I'm saying that to both of you guys. And then you need forks.
Tide.
So you need forks, and then you need some water, and then, yes, you need Tide. So, first thing we're going to do, we're going to have pink and I have blue, is we're going to pour our glue into our bowls. Mine's a little dirty, sorry about that, but I couldn't get my other slime out. Well, it's worse for me because bring you guys down. You guys can see us pretty fine. So, yeah, I always like to squeeze just a little bit, and then my hands hurt, so I just go, whoa. Sorry about that.
Whoa,
I just got
holy crap.
I like this blue though.
I really like this pink.
Oh yeah, it's like hot. This is like hot blue. Comment down below if you've ever used Elmer's magical liquid. I've heard about it, but I just don't know if I would want it. Stop making that noise. So I'd say this is definitely a lot thicker. Like a lot thicker than glitter glue.
Yes.
Because I still feel some. I'll squeeze it on my help. Oh, I just got some. Yeah,
There's still some in there, but
yeah. That's not going to be used anytime soon. Okay, I think that's pretty much good.
I got a lot of glue in mine.
I have a lot of glue in mine. It's just, it can't really show because it's like super wide. I could already have some water in here, so I'm just going to mix that in, but I'm probably going to add more. It's so thick.
Right? It already kind of looks like slime.
No, it doesn't. Well, my slate, because this could get messy.
Yes. We've never tried this glue before, and we don't know if it'll work. But
it says new, great for slime.
Right.
Can you guys see that more when you show the big camera? Oops, I'm showing in the wrong spot. See, it says new, great for slime right there. Kind of looks like Smile because you guys are looking at it. Did you add water?
No, I didn't.
I need to add a little bit more water, even though there was already some water into mine. Add just a little bit more because I want mine to be thin. Only if we were at my grandpa and grandma's house because they have shaving cream. Okay, so pretty much done with this. Now it's time for the fun part. Okay, so right now it looks a lot lighter in the cameras, but it's actually
really thick.
Yeah, no, not thick. It's like pretty dark. Sorry about that, guys, if you just saw like a green flash. So now we're going to add our Tide. So I'm going to add about that much for now. I mean, it's very thick glue, so you don't know what to expect. Mine's already coming like slime, guys. So this is mine so far. One big clump.
Lumpy.
You're going to need more. I'm already going in with my hands. Look at this that I got today.
Yes. Oh, and by the way, you guys haven't seen me with my new hair. I bleached my hair.
I think I can tell.
Yes, still, I bleached my hair.
I need more. You don't have messy hands, so thank you. Okay. Jeez, please. I don't want overactivated slime here.
You've got lotion.
What's your point?
Add lotion. It worked when Aubrey did it, so why won't it work when you did it? That surprised me the day that Aubrey fixed slime.
So, mine's coming slime. It's just super stringy. And there's still a lot stuck to my hand.
I played with mine in a bowl before I actually like it.
Well, so do I, but I don't feel like doing that right now. Okay, it's pretty much slime now. Now I just gotta get it off my hands. Because whenever you need slime, it always gets on your hand. And then when you add more Tide, the stuff that's stuck to your hand doesn't get the Tide. So I just gotta play with this. And this is really pretty though.
Yes,
it looks like we
too.
added food coloring. It's flour! But the fun thing is next, we're gonna do something fun. So I need a little piece of your slime.
Oh, maybe make him purple.
So I'm gonna start my testing, and it's very good stretchy quality. So yeah, I think this will be fun. So I'm gonna start twisting mine. Sorry if you guys can't see my face in the big camera or in the little camera. I don't know. So twisting mine. You might not be able to see it right now, and that's okay because I'm showing you. You know, that's my Instagram swirl. It's not that good because I just smushed. Now what do you look like?
That's a really good click.
Now flatten all these poles out. Bubble! Oh, I made a tiny bubble. This is like good though.
Yeah, and it's not like too sticky like a lot of slimes are.
Yeah.
It's really thick.
Yeah, I like that though because it makes it feel like fluffy slime. When like
Yes.
you go like this. Okay, now we switch.
That was pretty sticky, and I need a little.
Nope. We can fix our slimes now. It's like a fix my slime challenge kind of thing. So you can do your test later. Mine doesn't need anything. Morgan's, I love the color of. We both should have gotten pink.
It's not too.
What? You said to add Tide, so I'm adding Tide. So I'm adding Tide to Morgan, so it's gonna get same consistency as mine basically.
I liked the way mine was.
Well, I didn't. That's why we're fixing it basically.
Okay.
But you don't need to fix. I don't want jiggly slime.
Well, I don't want.
It's sticky.
No, stop.
No.
I like it that way.
Stop it.
No more adding. I like it that way. Or else
Why
I'm
not?
adding water to yours.
Why? I don't want sticky slime. I don't know why you would
I don't want
sticky slime.
overactivated slime.
Yeah, and I'm not making it overactivated.
Stop.
Does that look like I'm making it overactivated?
Still, stop. I don't want any more.
No. This is super runny. And that's why it fails the test. So, this is our slime, or this is Morgan's slime. It's kind of sticky, but
Hi guys.
that's how she wanted it. Oh, sorry about this. Sorry that you heard our intro again. Just the other video got ended. So, this is Morgan's slime. Very good. Can I get my shirt like this? Now, for the grand finale. Mine's overactivated. I don't really like it. Now, if you can see what I'm doing, I am mixing. Because that's what we were taught in our class, to mix colors.
Your face.
Mixy, mixy, mixy.
You're born.
I don't like this purple. It's way too dark. Do you like it?
Not really.
Okay, this color is not good. Looks good in the camera, but it's not. It's really bad. I think that this will help us. Oh, that was a lot of water. This is about to get sticky.
Feels like mine. Like a lot of water. Blah, 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 blah.
Part of the reason why you add water to your slime is one, to make it easier to mix, and two, if you overactivate it, it's supposed to take out, like, it's supposed to make it stretchy. That's not what happened to mine. Mine is like, no.
Mine's like, yes.
But yours is really runny, and I don't like really runny slime. I just don't like the, like, you can tell when you crunch it that it's overactivated. So, that was it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I'm sure Morgan did too.
Comment down below if you like runny slime or her kind of slime better.
That's the question of the day. Runny slime or my slime, or non-runny slime. So, if you like this video, please give it a
Thumbs
thumbs up. Subscribe down below and hit the bell. Ding! Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!